Whether you're creating signage for a flower display ahead of fulfilling an order for the local football club's annual Best and Fairest event, or fitting a self-made part to a sculpture, soon to be debut in a thriving area of the city in the hope of improving cultural awareness. The latest generation of maker gadgets offer a range of exciting options. In this video, we are bringing you 5 highly practical and innovative maker gadgets which will not only pick up the pieces, but make a scene. But before that, if you are a gadget lover and want to stay up to date, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. The ULTIMAKER 7 is a professional 3D printer with a print volume of 330 by 240 by 300 millimeters. It offers maximum reliability and connectivity, an intuitive interface, and advanced active leveling. Over 280 third-party materials are supported and numerous proprietary ones developed by ULTIMAKER. A metal expansion kit is also available for the printing of steel parts. The printer is equipped with an air manager for improved temperature control and air filtration, increasing air quality and print quality. A reversible magnetic spring steel sheet base coated with a rough PI surface improves first-layer adhesion and overall print reliability. Automated material handling and storage is intelligently handled by the material station add-on with automatic switching of up to 6 spools and constant humidity control. The printer features 5 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity, enhancing its appeal in professional settings requiring stable network connections. Managing printers, users, and designs is achieved via the digital factory software. Improving 3D printing knowledge is accomplished with e-learning courses on ULTIMAKER Academy, and choosing from the hundreds of materials and plugins is made possible through the ULTIMAKER Curae marketplace. With a collaborative digital environment, sophisticated capabilities, and high-end array of supported materials, the ULTIMAKER S7 makes for a comprehensive 3D printing solution. The DOBOT MG400 is a lightweight desktop robot with a footprint smaller than one piece of A4 paper. Designed to be flexible to deploy, easy to use, and safe to collaborate, it makes automation affordable and accessible for diversified and small-batch production scenarios. It is equipped with servo motors utilizing a high-precision absolute encoder coupled with a self-developed servo drive and controller. The robot's repeatability is measured up to ±0.5 millimeters with a maximum payload of 750 grams and a reach of 440 millimeters. At the end of the robot arm, there is a shaft where users can mount the generic end effector flange. This allows for the attachment of grippers, vacuum cups, or any other custom end effectors. Modes of operation include Modbus, Vision, Palette, as well as a conveyor belt synchronization option. When both the laptop and the MG400 are on the same local area network, the software is able to find the robot automatically. It should be noted that the MG400 has a fixed IP address. Programming can be performed using trajectory reproduction, script, or the user-friendly blocky interface, which provides a highly intuitive and fun means of creating and modifying programs. With collision detection, well-integrated software, and professional build quality, the DOBOT MG400 makes for an intriguing desktop robot. The XTOOL M1 Ultra is an extraordinary creative tool, combining a laser engraver, full-color inkjet printer cutter, and pen tool. Effectively, it gives crafters, modelers, and small businesses a means to see the fruition of an astounding array of ideas. Utilizing the machine's multi-tool function, users can combine tool heads for the completion of more involved tasks. The laser utility is available in a 10-watt or 20-watt diode, enabling cutting, engraving, and scoring as needed. The blade options enable users to work with foils and cut a variety of materials, including fabrics and felt, with a selection of 4 blades available for different materials. The inkjet head enables standard full-color printing. It is optimized for artwork and allows the user to print on a variety of different materials. The pen tool enables the translation of digital artwork onto paper as well as other materials. The use of real physical pens generates lines that hold a more natural look, replicating the flaws seen in hand-drawn images. The XTOOL creative space software provides access to AI design tools to aid concept development and guides users through the setup and application of tasks. The XTOOL M1 Ultra makes for an inspiring creative tool. Minecraft is a sandbox game developed and published by Swedish video game developer Mojang Studios and originally created by Marcus Notch Persson. In Minecraft, players explore a procedurally generated, three-dimensional world with virtually infinite terrain made up of voxels. Players can discover and extract raw materials, craft tools and items, and build structures, earthworks, and machines. Depending on their chosen game mode, players can fight hostile mobs, as well as cooperate with or compete against other players in multiplayer. The game has two main modes: survival mode, where players must acquire resources to survive, and a creative mode where players have unlimited resources and the ability to fly. Minecraft has received critical acclaim, winning numerous awards and being cited as the greatest video game of all time. It is often used in educational environments to teach chemistry, computer-sided design, and computer science. The LEGO Minecraft series brings to life this compelling world through a series of builds, each representing a stage within the game. Those voiced in the game find peace, while those new to the concept discover a new means of education and endeavor, not only through Minecraft but through the wonder of LEGO construction. LEGO Minecraft beautifully augments the LEGO ecosystem, providing a challenging and visually fascinating construction series. The Apple Mac Mini is a small form factor PC, measuring 5 inches wide, 5 inches deep, and 2 inches tall. Its small size means it can be plugged into a TV without looking out of place, positioned in front of or behind a display, and easily transported. The M4 chip features up to a 10-core CPU, 4 performance cores, and 6 efficiency cores, and a 10-core GPU. 38 trillion operations per second are supported by its 16-core neural engine. There are 2 USB-C ports at the front, alongside a headphone jack. At the rear, there's a power port, a gigabit Ethernet port that's upgradable to 10 gigabit speeds, and an HDMI port that's capable of up to 8K at 60 Hz or 4K at 240 Hz. 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports are available. With the ability to run up to 3 displays at once, the computer provides remarkable creative potential. Demanding professionals can even choose the M4 Pro variant, with Thunderbolt 5 connectivity, with theoretical data transfer speeds of up to 120 gigabits per second. The Mac Mini, with a price tag below the Sony PS5 Pro, could be the start of a resurgence for Mac gaming. The Apple Mac Mini makes for a powerful, portable, and highly versatile computing solution. So guys, if you are looking for a maker gadget, we hope these recommendations have brought you closer to that ideal device. Links to all products can be found in the description. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and thank you so much for watching.